Eating some chicken lollipop. Chicken lollipop. Russian. So draining the water. Making lollipop, chicken lollipop. Chicken lollipop. Chicken wings lollipop. Chicken wings lollipop. Look at this. Lollipop. To habanero, 20 garlic, big chunk of ginger. Want to grind for marination. Curry leaf, 2 stems, 1 tablespoon of kastur mendi, adding the grinded paste, ginger, garlic, curry leaf, kastur mendi, and 2 habanero pepper paste, and lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt, thick yogurt. Salt to taste. I'm using Himalayan salt. One teaspoon of turmeric powder. 2 tablespoons of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, mix everything well. Adding the chicken lollipop, chicken wings lollipop to marination. Mix everything, marination. Leave the marination for 1 to 2 hours before cooking. I have 2 tablespoons of semolina, I got 2 tablespoons of semolina or rava, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose, mix everything together. Adding red chili powder, half tablespoon, pinch of custard mehendi, salt to taste. Mix everything. Two eggs. Make it like a thick batter. This is the consistency for chicken lollipop batter. Chicken wing lollipop ready to batter. Ready to take it out and mix lollipop. Chicken lollipop, chicken wings lollipop is ready to yum yum. For the recipe, you have to go to Stanley's kitchen. How to make Stanley's chicken wings lollipop. I'm gonna try one. Look at this. Smells so good. Bang bang.